how to unlink Instagram from Facebook in this video. I'm going to show you how to unlink your Facebook account from your Instagram account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out. All right, so to unlink our Instagram account from our Facebook account, the first thing we need to do is open up the Instagram app on our iPhone or Android phone. Then just select your profile icon in the bottom menu. Once you get to your profile, select the three lines in the top right of Instagram. Now that we're in Settings and Privacy, select Account Center. And then in Account Center, scroll all the way down to the bottom. And select accounts from here. You'll see the accounts that are linked to your Instagram account. And as you can see, there's Facebook at the bottom. All we need to do to unlink it is select Remove. As you can see, the first option is Remove Account, but you will not be deleting or deactivating your account. So go ahead and select Remove Account, confirm, continue, and then all you need to do is select Yes at the bottom. And there you go. We have now unlined Instagram from Facebook.